Yakshagan is the famous dance form of which state of India? The correct answer is C, that is Karnataka. So Yakshagan dance drama of South India associated most strongly with the state of Karnataka. And elaborate and colorful costumes, makeups and masks constitute some of the most striking features of the art form. Consider the following statement about a classical dance form. The first one is Tribhanga is a special feature of this dance. The second one is the torso movement is very important and is a unique feature of this dance. And the third one is many of today's gurus of this style belong to the Gotipua tradition. Identify the classical dance form using the above clues. So the correct answer is B, that is Odissi. So all the statements are related to Odissi dance form. Consider the following statements regarding to the Satriya dance and choose the correct answer from the options given below. So the first statement is Satriya is a fusion of dance, drama and music. Then second statement is it follows the old living tradition of Vaishnavites of Assam. And the third one is it is based on various rags and tals of devotional songs of Tulsidas, Kabir and Mirabai. The correct answer is B, that is both A and B are the correct answer, means these two statements are correct. Thaipusam festival is celebrated in which state of India? The correct answer is D, that is Tamil Nadu. So the word Thaipusam is a combination of the name of month Thai and the name of a star Pusam, and this particular star is at its highest point during the festival. The dance form Grida is from which state? The correct answer is D, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Grida dance is performed in a few villages of India. When the rabi crops are ready, villagers get together and perform the Grida dance to celebrate their hard work, and the ritual continuing from morning until evening. Halisaka is the dance form of which Indian state? The correct answer is D, that is Gujarat. So Halisaka is a folk dance of Gujarat which is performed in a group. And this dance, dancer perform it by making circular formation with the hands joined together, forming a chain. Padma Shri awardee Bismillah Khan was associated with which instrument? The correct answer is B, that is Shehnai. So Bismillah Khan, often referred to by the title Ustad, was an Indian musician credited with popularizing the Shehnai, a reeded woodwind instrument. The folk music genre named Allah hails from which state of India? The correct answer is B, that is Madhya Pradesh. Who is considered as the guru of Swami Vivekananda? The correct answer is C, that is Ramakrishna Paramhans. So Ramakrishna Paramhans is considered as the guru of Swami Vivekananda. Which form of India dance shows influence of Persian culture? The correct answer is B, that is Kathak. So the present form of Kathak dance is a fruit of the fusion of indigenous Indian tradition with the Islamic culture in the northern part of India during the golden age of the Mughal dynasty from the 16th century to the beginning of the 18th century. Dashkathia is a form of ballad singing prevalent in dash. The correct answer is C, that is Odisha. So Dashkathia is a form of ballad singing prevalent in Odisha, and Dashkathia is a name derived from a unique musical instrument called kathi or ramtali, that is wooden clappers used during the presentation, and the performance is a form of worship and offering on behalf of the das, the devotees. With which of the following musical instrument was the musician Palghat Mani Iyer associated? The correct answer is A, that is Mridangam. So, Palghat T.S. Mani Iyer, born Thiruvallamai Ramaswamy, was one of the leading mridangist in the field of Carnatic music. Ganga Sagar Mela is celebrated on the occasion of Makar Sankranti from 13th to 15th January every year in. The correct answer is A, that is West Bengal. So, Ganga Sagar Mela is one of such festival of India celebrated on the occasion of Makar Sankranti during 13th to 15th January every year in West Bengal, and which attracts thousands of pilgrims from all over the world. Where is Bishnupur, which is famous for terracotta temple, located? The correct answer is C, that is West Bengal. Bishnupur, 139 km from Kolkata, was built by Malla kings who ruled a part of West Bengal between Burdwan and Purulia. The famous Bengali song Ekla Chalo Re is the composition of. The correct answer is A, that is Rabindranath Tagore. So, commonly Ekla Chalo Re is a Bengali patriotic song written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1905. It was written in 1905. Khalsa Army was founded by. The correct answer is D, that is Guru Gobind Singh. So, the Khalsa tradition was initiated in 1699 by the 10th Guru of Sikkim, that is Guru Gobind Singh, and it is 1699. And its formation was a key event in the history of Sikhism. Dolu Kunita is a dance form of which of the following states of India? The correct answer is C, that is Karnataka. It is a popular folk dance associated with the worship of Sri Bira Lingveshwara, who is considered as a form of Lord Shiva and originated in the rituals of the Kurba Goda community of North Karnataka. Chakma, a tribal community, belongs to which states? The correct answer is C, that is Tripura. So, Chakma are one of the largest ethnic groups living in the easternmost area of India and are native to the Chittagong hill tracts region of southeastern Bangladesh. Leh Singhe Kebabs festival, which promotes tourism in the country, is celebrated in. The correct answer is B, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Who stated these lines in a poem? The correct answer is B, that is Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.